Sanibonani guys, away guys. Yey, ngibhalela usisi sothi usisi ubani mara. Sothi usisi uDineo. Usisi yangibhalela awushuzi nanekile isibedlela sabathu abahafa for 15 years. Impilo seyingasayiboni vele. Like bese skeme tsi hore lena inhlokofale ngilandela umamami. Cause umamami nosisi wami sebashonile so bengimele ukuthi vele nami ngishone ngibalandele but mudimo lena angikhawugela dibijaka kusho uDineo. uDineo uthi awushozi ngihlanye hayi ukuthi bengithakathiwe hayi ukuthi no ngithakathe from outside or kanjani ari ngimokele nkoteng because of dibitsaka zingilethela ngaba la kule situation for 15 years because of dibitsaka. Or awushozi mina sikhuliswa umamami mina nosisi wami sima twins the sister angengibiki igama cause akasikho emhlabeni yabona. So uthi mina nosisi wami like she was one of those girls abahlakaniphile. Uthi usisi wami bekahlakaniphe from a young age and usisi wami she's the first twin ukuthi azalwe mina ngibe second yabona. So uthi usisi wami kube labantwana laba abahlakaniphayo uthanda bomemu i-A+ student like uyathandeka in every way. Esontweni uyaqula masiye kusande sikhulu uqulayo kosikolo netball ngikudrela yonke into usisi wami number 1 modeling we yabona. Uthi mina like bengiphila under ishadow yakhe for iminyakanyaka and I think ukuthi lokumzonda the hatred ikhule kanjalo from each and every year ngimsale emuva ngibe shadow yakhe they create something in me ngingayi notice until at the later stage la ngibona khona ukuthi now I can react because this thing yangimela ubona. Uthi usisi wami endlini bekuye vele uphasa kahle endlini mabangathi umama ngifaka iso umama mbeke umuntu usonto so beyathanda ukuthi siyacula then si reba the Bible verses yabona. So uthi each and every time afuthi ukuvula iBhayibheli ambiza ke ukuthi sizothi sisi usonto masimphika msithi usonto no sithi sonto aqale athi Dineo athi most of the time masifuna ukusenza something uqala ngami because she knows ukuthi izongihlula then athi uDineo bakangipha leyo thuba nami athi Dineo sivulele sifundele yabona. Uthi vele it was difficult for me ukuthi ngifunde and usisi wami besifunda same grades but yena medula neli bebereka very fast so then bathi sonto sifundele sifundele. Uthi even as classini they will ask me a question to what I nyazi answer then bathi twin sister help her yabona then twin sister kube uyeke outshine yabona. So kuthi kube into vele eyenzeka each and every time. Usisi wami mina na isma twins but asi identical asifani funny siyafana you can see ukuthi bantwana bomuntu but asila ama twins afana nqamashi yabona. Uthi usisi wami usonto beka light in complexion and kwaba ukuthi ubachapinyana and uba lesibunu nyana mina ngaba dark yabona and ngaba islender growing up ngaba islender yena wabachabi wabanela umzimba lo omuhle onyawo wezigcwele mina ngazibela like islender la sikhula khona community bangiphika bathi toothpick cause you sorry ngoba ngumqondo yabona. Sharp sisjozi sathi primary secondary saqala ke secondary asifika secondary phela wonke umuntu umusha so they don't know you ukuthi a primary la uyakhona bonjana ngisho like standard 6 noqala ke manje batobona ka character batobona ka di academics batobona ka di sports or motho mojwa. Uthi usisi wami ajoinele netball ku netball she was very good and beka very fast ke bekadlala position angazi is low center position number 4 yeah angazi yona le yabona nakale fast like yabona. Uqala ukuthiwe hayi esikoleni kune drama in angel uthi la ayakhona nami obviously ngizofuna ukuwe because of usisi wami but mangiya if ever sidlala netball mina bangifaki bathi ngislow yena ufast edramini usisi wami unale mathali ke bana bale wabona like wabona unale vibe. Mina like I'm more reserved ngishy. So yabona each and every time uthi even as a high school wabukuthi baphika yena kunami qala uthi iyaqala ke manje sesafika vele sesuku grade 8 kuthi awuswaka still uphasa kahle uyaphasa. Okay mina ngiyaphasa like a normal child abo 60 50 yabona stuff like that. Uthi masicala vele sithi grade 10 usesiwama aqale vele ajole yena asitholile boyfriend and uthola athi uyabona high school manikhulu kuba nalabafana laba aba kuba nomfana lo everyone afuna ukuthi ajole naye niyaza ngisho. And then lo mfana lo everyone afisa ukuthi abe boyfriend yakhe abayi boyfriend kasisi wami. And nami ngimlike ke lobona mara yena behangangithanda athanda usisi wami. Uthi manje yaqala ke lapho iqale ke ngomjolo indaba yithi aba serious. Uthi vele ngizame by all means ukuthi ngikhuluma usisi wami ngabi ku this guy ukuthi vele bangasaqhubeki bajole. This guy still athanda usisi wami bajola. Uthi ngiqala vele ngimcebe kumama wami ukuthi lo mntwana akho lo ama A+ lo uyajola ujola nosibani wakuphi ema ngikhomba ekibi yabona. Uthi like ngizama vele ukuthi ngicreate this form ukuthi kuliwe vele angasabi the star child yabona efamily. Uthi mama vele usisi wami vele baqale vele bacabana uthi usisi wami vele umjolo vele umngene serious ukuthi manje siyabaleka ukujumpa nama window. Uthi vele immediate manje to jumpa vele ngavuka vele ngomhlaga. Uthi each and every time ngenza something ephuma endleleni vele yimi number 1 ngomhlaga yabona. To an extent ukuthi usisi wami unfortunately yena masisi high school yena aba pregnant ke waba pregnant umama wabona ukuthi usisi wami upregnant umama wamthatha wamisa enyangeni ukuthi bayomkhipha isiso because of bengafuna ukuthi the star child abe nengane. Uthi amkhapha kanti mina I'm listening to everything amkhapha amisa lapho baye bamkhipha isiso. Uthi hayi vele isikhathi masiya ngitshela the boyfriend ukuthi wena usisi wami beka pregnant ukukhipha isiso uyakwazi na. The boyfriend angali vele ukuthi uyazi usisi wami umtshelile ngibona ukuthi like this thing I cause harm anyway. Uthi hayi vele ngithi principal esikolweni ngimtshela ukuthi usisi wami pregnant. Sisi wami pregnant. Abantu ngisho ukuthi usikhiphile sisi wami pregnant. Wanivumela abantu aba pregnant la. Yabona uthi ngiyipompe listing ukuthi bam expel yabona. Hayi uprincipal abisisi wami vele aphike athena kasi pregnant. Hayi uthi vele ngihambe ngitshele umunye umembe kasifundisa vele kadi reproduction. Uyasibona ngisho leso. Uthi vele ngitshela ukuthi sisi wami pregnant manje maka pregnant umama mbuye umkhipha isiso. So bengifuna ukuthi umkhuze ukuthi ayikelize. Uthi like bekimufala linalele mpe uma t-shirting laba bamthanda ababona ngathi is a star girl. Awona uthi bengiwalanda one by one ngibatshela vele and this thing bengiyenza vele ngibe happy. Uthi ngingabona ukuthi mina myself I'm creating a demon inside me elizongidisturba in the near future. Uthi bengingaboni bengijabula vele babiza umama esikolweni ama teacher vele bambuza ukuthi mama why umntwana 1 2 3 4 5 umama vele akhala vele confirm ukuthi ya beka pregnant so ngabo ukuthi umntwana uzomdisturba. That's why sisa ukuthi terminate isiso vele uthi yaze vele uthi yabaza bomem ni break bahleba uthi vele yaze vele esikolweni sonke vele usisi wami loyo nyaka vele angabhali exam vele a drop out aphume vele esikolweni mama mahamba umfunela esinye isikolo ngithi good shot ngizoba yi1 uthi awushows le hey atswile mosikolong but still ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi la khona kwenzakala la ikhona esikolweni lapha still abe the star girl athandiwe in stuff like that. Uthi ngitshela umama ngithi hey ngikhipha la nami ngifuna ulandela usisi wami. Uthi my mother ngikhiphe ngilandela usisi mangifika lapha yena bayamthanda wonke. Uthi vele ngiqala still this room ukuthi lo muntu ukhipha isiso wakhipha isiso ngiyambona so in vele uthi iqala vele iroom but ngingasho ukuthi ukusho mina abona uthi vele ispread the room like that uthi ha wena in khipha isiso uthi usisi wami kube uthi usisi wami bekumuntu omunye ukuthi like never mind and akasishayi uthi vele asho ukuthi abe pregnant ngisikhiphile so what nifuna ukungenzani uthi angaphiki vele ukuthi kube ukuthi ayikhona ukudima ilight la kasisam this issue anymore like say into sayijwayele and so ujwaye so usifunisile ukuphila nayo yabona uthi hayi sharp uthi hayi vele singene isikolo sicede vele matric usisi wami yena abene like ke aphase kahle mina unfortunately ngiziphasele ngo-S ngini ngalama grades wamanje angazi ukuthi udiploma or certificate or so nale uthi mina ngiziphasele ngo-S usisi wami vele aphase kahle vele ngama exemption. Hayi usisi uthi vele usisi wami vele aphanse kahle vele uthi the principal kuleli new school le bamfunele nomama uthi vele organizele vele amfunele ibazari because of bekaphase kahle bekayi top student vele kule high school vele le besifunda kiyo uthi hayi bamtholele vele ibazari le ayofunda outside the country laba mtholele yona uthi usisi wami vele ahambe kanjalo kusale mina nomama uthi enjoy like ukuba the single child enjoy uthi swami kule bazari yakhe bekune certain amount uyasithumela every month bekasithumela vele imali every month but beyangakhona ukuza ngapha kubuya ngapha so wahlala vele isikhathi close to kuma 3 vele singamboni uthi bengi-enjoy like kuba the only child bengi-enjoy ukuthi ngisonto nomama wami ngiye emall nomama like bengisele vele ngijabulile ukuthi ibazari isincedile vele ahamba ngasabuki uthi bekuyinto vele bengi-excited ngayo uthi okay isikhathi masiya vele umama mbe like bekafila the need to hayi manje swami kwakabuye sekukudala uthi swama funda into ayifundelayo aqede abe ne like khona ngale la sebenzela khona vele athole vele umsebenzi athola umsebenzi vele asifonele athi ngithola umsebenzi impilo zethu zizoshintsha ngizonthumela imali mama uwakhe in but still angabuyi ngapha like eMzansi or awushozi motho ola akadalana athumele imali athumele mama uthi bekamthumela imali umama bekamthumela imali mina ngaleso sikhathi angifondi ngihlele ekhaya ashozi gedi uthi hayi enjoy kuba umntwana sesikhathi siyahamba angafundanga umama imali bayamthumela mina ngisebenzi sesiyithu phela endlini mina nosisi wami vele sibantwana bakamasi ma-20 kuphela si2 angisebenzi the way concentrate empilweni kasisi wami ngazikhohlwa mina ukuthi nama I need to do something empilo yami namfaka ukuthi ngiachieve umama goals ngisebenzele uthi ngazikhohlwa mina usisi wami usolo hambile kule minyaka azange ngasebenza benginjoy imali usisi wami ayithumelayo mina nomama wami sishophela umama ma renovator indlu wasithengela ino finisher waqeda uthi usisi wami wathi ay ngizobuya uthi vele asho ukuthi ngizobuya ngenyanga so I'm coming but I'm coming with a friend yabona so please mama ngicela ukuthi la kushoda khona ulungise uthi vele am-edge ukuthi ulungise la kushoda khona thenga ibedding entsha thenga ama curtain in yabona uthi vele athi atshela umama ikamereni lami kube sona so uthi asithumela ama pictures ngicela ngithengele izinto sona so uthi imali bekungasinkinga kusisi wami imali bekayithumela athi even nami nje ngibe ngimzonda ngimfisela kuphi but benginayo allowance amangithumela na every month beside ka mama hayi uthi isikhathi sokuthi usisi wami vele as South Africa sifika masifika vele ashela ukuthi ngilendile I'm on my way hayi awusozi umama mami so atshelile vele ama cousin wakhe so batshelile vele abantu abadala ukuthi umntwana wami uyeza ngifuna ukuthi ngimenzele imicimbi ukubonga Thanksgiving stuff like that sizobonga abaphansi ukuthi umntwana uhambile wazi athola umsebenzi ngabe saba nendlu saba nani konke abalo mama athi ukuthi siwenze because of uthi vele mama prepare kube vele umsebenzi vele ubusiswa makafika vele athole already vele sekumsebenzi ukuthi siyobonga abaphansi or awushozi kuhambe ukubonga abaphansi usiswa makavela awushozi uvela nomlungu enaye umfazi wendoda uvela nomlungu uthi makafika okay like bekusele ku ceremony iThanksgiving kwenziwe kuphela usisama introduce lo mlungu as the boyfriend athi this is my boyfriend in and mama uzala ufuna ukucela ukuthi angangishada nawe yabona or awushozi kwaba ngathi lelo la ngokuza umuntu aphethumeze angihlabe enhlizweni ukuthi this person manje soyoshada nomlungu mina ngisebenzi anginamali unemali unomsebenzi omuhle ngapha unondodo yomlungu it's impossible uthi lelo langa makaxoxa atshela umama wami ukuthi ulo muntu uzocela ipermission ukuthi umama wami abakhulule ukuthi bashade yo uthi benginyanyile bengakhona ukuzicontain uthi ngaze ngahamba aya kumngani wami uthi mangifika vele ngixoxela umngani wami bele umngani wami ngithanda ukuhleba kusisi wami kuye yabona uthi mangifika vele ku friend ngimtshela ukuthi ye wena umuntu lo ya uzile uze nomlungu ngapha unemali ngapha in ufuna ukuthi umama avume ukuthi amshade hey mina ngithandi lento lena ngapha isoqalela uba istaff the family bekunomcimbi about yena manje mayashada nomlungu le community manje uyazi ukuthi manje usonto vele uye udine uyifela yabona uthi ngitshela the friend ugokwakhe uyayazi chemical engineering wayitsiba uthi friend athi your friend mina ipain yakho ngiyayazi since yonke leminyaka solungitshela ngalo muntu ukuthi awushayina uthathe shine yakho so I think ukuthi nawe isikhathi ukuthi umise 6 feet under kuphele usale wena nomamakho uthi in friend asithu nomama umama uyangi-understand the only problem ilo makafika akasangiboni yabona uthi sikhulume like that siyeke uthi hayi ngidecide ukuthi ngibile ekhaya uthi mangifika ekhaya vele ngithola vele uvule ama gift ama expensive presents upha everyone yabapha nami ngithengele or I was choosing and something smart but bengayi-enjoy arile hloyo lebekinale lona nakuyo nikisa enjoy isilo bekisabone anything enhle because of ukuzonda nokuba nomona for my sister uthi hayi lelo langa vele athi ukuthi no bazile for 2 weeks so uku 2 weeks leave uzohlala lana endlini for 2 weeks with the boyfriend if my mom doesn't mind if umama uyamind uzohamba ke bayobhuka ne boyfriend and then uzoza azosivakatshela during ke the day ayike uguy emove my mom was like no fanele ukuthi asifuni ukuthi abantu abanjani angahambi ngona ngihlale la kwami ngisho ukuthi siyakhe silungiselele isivakashi silungiselele isivakashi ngeke sihambe solala ngaphandle or awusozi makuvuke ekseni isister arobala kisister montshari kisister bomakhelwana bomama besonto bomama besociety bazobona umkhonyana omlu every day kwaba ukuthi sonto this sonto that sonto this sonto that uthi afika la vele senginyanya khona ukuthi abona this person sonto yahamba bona khunyela ke lapili or awusozi bahlele 1 week with the second week ngabela ku friend ngathi friend ngiconnecta phela nogogo wakho silungise this issue because this issue bana ngangibela angisakhona ulala angisakhona uphuzi angisakhona ukwenza next yonke into usonto or I was choosing my friend wabe already nesiyakhuluma nogogo wakhe khuluma nogogo wakhe ukuthi sifuna uyenza la ubani but asasho asizange sishithu siswami so we like ungane wethu umunye wasenza into ebhlungu so sifuna ukwenza yena ukuthi or I was choosing ngitshela ngikhuza ngitshela ukuthi sayenzana uthi sahamba sayendumeni kagogo wazibeka phansi gogo was like wena ufuna ususisi wakho emhlabeni and you know ukuthi swakho mahamba emhlabeni impilo yakho izoba nzima because lo muntu lo lishera seriti yazi isithunzi share isithunzi like it's more like nomuntu oyi1 ni 2 but it's more like nomuntu oyi1 so wena mafuna ukuthi usale ungashoni yena shone kumele ukuthi wenze ritual emathuneni like kube ngathi bayamgeza kube ngathi bamgeza ngathi ushonile kuyona kumuntu mashonile bayogeza bawudosa lififilile yeah then bayamgeza and lamanzi lawo yibo bazowasebenza ukuthi the sister must go uthi awushows akahana uthi azange ngale ngathi anytime gogo I'm available asambeni or awushows angaphila nabogogo abathakathayo yoba nenhliziyo empena ngeke ubone into wrong oyenzayo uthi I don't want to lie leso sikhathi bengingabona into wrong engiyenzayo angifuna ukukhuluma manga like the way impilo yakane lebo xhuku kade itletsele toy bengayibona into wrong engiyenzayo uthi gogo ngithatha no friend sahamba saye emathuneni uthi athi masiwe emathuneni athi khetha any thuna olufunayo sizokusebenzela lapho or awushoza ngazi gogo uhlanganiseni athi nalomhlaba 22 wathathwa wahlanganiswa ngagezelwa phezulu kwethuna ebusuku ngabo AM uthi ngagezela gogo wazikhuluma wasihlanganisa izinto zakhe waceda watasambe ningabheki emuva what awushoza ikamatha real komabihle ngikuqwa uthi siphume emathuneni siyendlini uthi makafika athi wena hamba uyolala ekhaya and then lento lesizoyenza kusasa ke final day unamavuka if usafuna uqhubeka ngalesi issue siyenzana uzongitshela if awufuni uzongitshela siyeke or awushozik ayakhaya akefihla khaya abantu basachilile abangalalanga kini AM uthi kuchiliyo yaza kungalaliwa ngakuhleli uthi nginyanye ngithi yazina la ekhaya kusasana peace cause uhlile emoto uthi umama uyamazi like ale so joyfully mina wena ukuthi ngikhona urangalala ngendli bekangaboni bekubona usonto this that child or awushozi vele ngithi ngiyalala ubuthongo ubungezi uthi ngibe sure ukuthi this thing bano ngiyibhatla like kitletse motete bana ngore kayibhatla ke batla gore motho a tsamaye mo philong ke shalele mamaka I cannot share my mother le motho cause we are out China each and every time go kerekeng go kae kena I am done hey uthi the following morning ngikijime ngaka gogo ngithi gogo lento bengithi ngifuna ukuyenza ngicela ukuthi sicedelele singayikehla manje sengisho ngifuna ukuthi lentombazana le ihamba utona khunyela akisayibhatla yabona or awushozi bongasho ukuthi siswami bekhona into ngenziwe nebed and that person bekanomoya uphansi bekanothando bekathanda ukuhleka like bekanale bubbly personality like now because of writing ngibile kuma senses wami khani ngibona the damage engiyenzile enhlizweni kaMama khani ngibona ukuthi ngasazithathela umuntu oright umuntu bekazosiphuqula asibonise like arabonthele fast asusela South Africa sosibonisa like ngaphandle ukuthi abantu baphila kanjani khani ngirealize manje ukuthi ngimoshe impilo kamntwana sekithi nempilo yami because of liqhoyo awusozi athi magogo kwamngani wami athi okay let's hake ibra iskipa sakhe lesibika agcokile isingcolile ibra iskipa sakhe and the picture sizohlanganisa ke uthi hayi ngigijime vele ngendini sengibuyile masinya vele ngibuye nalezi zinto lezi uthi umakhosi athi kimi athi are you sure izinto ezisoze big fire mntwana mfuthi ube sho or ngeriyeyi dirashesha ungangoshela isikhathi akwenzeke yenza into odume ngayo ngibona ukuthi uyayikhona uthi community besakuthi lokho kuyaganga ne but bengazi mina mara bengasisho bengizwa mahlebezi mara bengasisho ukuthi gogo kamngani wami vele uyathakatha uthi hayi vele sithi phakathi endumbeni uthi siphakathi akhiphe vele deeply ama plastic lawa vele walishubana uthi akhiphe vele nali concoction benkeza ngayo nale inhlabathi asemathuneni asikhipha sibeke phansi uthi makade ukuzibeka phansi athi angibuza ukuthi ushona uthi sisters arkisho but ugogo ayenze I triangle yabona I triangle but ayenze ka ayenze ngama arrows I3 abeke so uthi lapha phakathi nendawo abekile iskipa sakasiswa amaqale ngale skipa athi skipa athi bra kodwa abeke isithombe phezulu uthi akhiphe le boxana libe namanaliti uthi akhiphe la manaliti abe all of uthi isithombe sakasiswa wami ngisithethe efonini yami ngafele ngasprinter ngaza naso uthi abeke la manaliti ahlabe like the whole body kasiswami la isithombeni ahlaba uthi makahlaba so akhulume vele izinto ezimbi ukuthi vele ahlabeka ihwa izinto ezinjalo uthi vele amkhulumele vele ahlabe dinale tete godimra the picture uthi makacitha uhlaba la uthi angibuze futhi are you sure athi le final step ngizoyenza la usho ukuthi siyenze lento lo uthi ngithi iqhubeke or athi another mutsu kanini i-arrow mutsu ki error ki spear i-arrow ne uthathathele umuntu lo athi awuthi akhulume vele amkhulumela ukuthi manje uyafa uthi awuthi on top of the picture lo mutsu lo uhlabe the picture uhlabe the bra uhlabe naleskipa ukenelele kofathi uthi hayi ngiseselapha ifoni ingene mama mfoni lakhala uthi awuhlabekile uwile athi urakala ngigitima tlahayi yabona uthi awushozi vele makakhuluma kanjalo uthi ngifuna ukubona ngosiki ukuthi lo muntu lona ungihluphe yonke leminyaka vele uyahamba uthi vele ngiphume ngigijima uthi mangifika vele endlini umuntu uthi vele lo mlungu wakhe the boyfriend athi lo muntu ushonile uthi umama vele asikhidle isikhalo athi it's impossible lo muntu buyangakho athi umuntu ushonile uthi kubizwe iambulance kubizwe ubaba next ukuthi noma kugisimisa esibhedlela bayomchecka for sure because ambulance it just spark yabona the boyfriend was like no asimfakeni kule moto siswambe barende imoto asimfake imotweni mina I will drive yabona uthi vele wacela nalo baba next ukuthi ahambe nathi because of yena moto wakho next door the boyfriend nobody yabona uthi vele ba drive vele bagijimba bathi isibhedlela mafisibhedlela vele ba confirm ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo uzuyabanda ushonile akasekho emhlabeni yabona uthi umama like akhale awusijusi or like alle asho yabona lezi zabantu angeke ngize ngilala umntwana mangazi ukuthi kwenzekeni uthi the boyfriend was there support umamami boyfriend beka lapho like asupporta like asinceda arrange the funeral uthi mina ngicala vele ngisondeze ku boyfriend ngimhage nje ukuthi ngizoba right because of so family ungeze uzovakasha awona sengithutuza the boyfriend more than my mother phela sisikile vele tsohore boyfriend if my sister hambile nangcona jole nami yabona uthi vele hayi umama vele angabi right mama mangabi right awusuze asikaba right atlhakatlhakana umama mangabi right vele should angabelieve with the step child umntwana bekazomkhipha poverty in ushonile all of a sudden angakagula yabona hayi uthi mina vele ngihlala ekhaya ngihlale kulungiselwe umncwabo kufike vele ama relative so kufika omunye umalumami vele uhlala eGauteng umalumami asesi mo ukitima lutola chweni mo asambe nisene emuntwini sobuza ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona uthi vele ngiyiphisi wayifa ukuthi semntwini ngapha kune boyfriend umlungu why cause umuntu ocollapse maybe like olapile ke fatigue and stuff like that uthi vele ngithayi kuhlalusha yabona uthi ankelwa se Gauteng was like moro bona hore ke mama bahambe mina ngisale or I was just bahambe should bafike kumakhosi was like umuntu oclose naye efamily so my mother beyangabelieve uthi mama vele afika makhosi all ngikarona le maka yabona abangabelieve because bathi makhosi batshela ukuthi umuntu oclose efamily maluma Gauteng was like asifuni nomunye umakhosi siyeni kumunye they went to anana makhosi mabaya kumakhosi ngigijime ngikugogo ufriend wakagogo ugogo ka friend ugogo ka friend ngithi yeki abantu baya kumakhosi in gogo ka friend was like takamuke to haramethe uthi ugogo ka friend angaramethe ngemithi angapassionate inet marinate angisho angapassionate gore abayo umakhosi akaphonsa lamathambo lidawu latshela angangiboni like abone lififi fela should like angakhona reveal ukuthi the sister uyo responsible ukuthi the other twin ashone sharp uthi mabaya le umakhosi lo abatshela ukuthi someone in the family angakhona reveal ukuthi ubani mara athi into le into ye-family mara anyako ira king back to the center ningayenza but you should know ukuthi ukhona one la family ozoshayeka so fanele ukuthi nibe ready uthi vele babuyile vele seba discuss lapho uthi ngithukile manje sengiyaqala urealize ukuthi into engiyenzile hey izomfaka enkingeni sengithukile manje gogo ka friend athi don't worry unama ngeke baze bashike inyahe unalini na yabona or awushozi ku prepariwe umncwabo ankelwa se Gauteng athi asimncwabi lo mntwana singayenza ngempinda arikabona lo asimncwabe singakayenza ngempinda umakhosi akeza azosebenza isidumbu orona no awushozi nakwe ki Friday amakhosi was like iza akuze azosebenza isidumbu sizobona if umuntu uyafa akufiwe sizobona umuntu oyenze this thing or awushozi Friday isidumbu masifika vele vele basifaka ikamareni makhosi vele angene but nami ngene because of simo like the same ngere matwini lenakitseni yabona uthi makhosi makaqala vele izinto zakhe athi no angeke ngikhona ukuyenza lento le ukhona umuntu amangina la oyenzile lento lo uri ngale kamareni it's me it's my mother it's my uncle's wife uncle wama se Gauteng uncle walana endaweni ahlala khona kiragadi waka yabona uthi athi ngithi umuntu oyenzile la ukhona so angeke ngikhona ukusebenza nikhona ngino niphume nonke usala umama kumntwana kuphela sizobayithunda ngizozikhona ukusebenza lesidumbu on uthi ngiqale lapho ke awusosi ngibona ukuthi yabona la isigiko ngisenjeni uthi asale noma mami makhosi asebenza isidumbu hayi kuhambe kongqwatsho vele Saturday kongqwatsho the boyfriend was there the whole time supporting in everything financially akhipha imali uthi nami ngizama ukumduduza after the funeral vele Saturday boyfriend was like ay mina into ebengizelelana I sale thing I rather leave mama mathi amncenga the boyfriend was like no mama I'm going back to my country boyfriend Saturday I fly out or awushozi angakutshela ukuthi that's the only part engikhumbulayo engikhumbulayo ukuthi from there what happened I don't know ukuthi ngahlakahlakana kanjani I don't want to lie aketsebi but the minute ngimphaphama ngazithola ngisesibhedlela yicheniwe izandla nenyawo kushuthi mangithi ngiyakhuluma kube ngathi mhlanya wes uthi awushozi the sad part is that bengimbona sisi wami uthi bengimbona azingale impahla bamncwabe ngazo uthi borbeke mmona alla arikrumpakishani uthi bekangilandelela everywhere whether nyachama whether nyakaka whether athi bekangilandelela yonke indawo athi kulabona like umuntu akulandelele afresh umona ale fresh akulandelele kube into ukuthi uyijoyela every athaqale aphileke litlalo arineke mmona aphile khalitlalo abola aribeke mmona ho like bengikhala ngibaleka ngithi ashunya kompolaya unlathi uthi bengenza kanjalo uthi bengenza kanjalo for yonke leminyaka, uthi ngimbone adleka until I confessed ukuthi yimi nogogo kaSibanibani. Uri awushozi lo yagogo lo yena umntwana wakhe bathutha kwashalana nakuyemela libithi kamuka. Uthi ngaconfessa kumama amazongibona ngamtshela ukuthi yimi ngambulala. Uri awushozi lireke confessije yena beyangasisi but izinculo zami bezingasebenzi at all. Uri awushozi kiphetsena kwetelile ke tlhakatlhakane iminyaka ngitlhakatlhakene. And for me to confess almost 10 years yonke ngiphika ngigula until one day mama mazongibona izinculo zabuya for 2 seconds abe sengaconfess ukuthi ngibona uSibanibani nangigijimisa. Uthi mama mbe futhi kuyini angibuza ukuthi usamona usho angimara wona no like beyahlala azongicheck angiba usamona usho ngona no yabona. Uthi until ngiconfessa ngithi udina ukuzenze so yenze yimi nogogo kaSibanibani. So ke khopela tshwarela. Uthi mama wagcina leso sikhathi ukuthi azongibona wangikhatha off completely. And then the family amazange vele saphinde ngibone. Uthi awushozi one day ngilele empedeni like mosibedlele urikerobethi ngavuka nje ngi-right ngi-healthy ngi-right ngamangala ukuthi awu manje lana. Uthi like ngavuka ngi-right ngibe back to normal just like that. Kanti that was the day ngifind out ukuthi umama mshonile. Mina ukuthi lo muthi ubawubopha umama the minute ashona mina wangirelease. Uri awushozi angisana khaya angikhona ukubuyela la ngikhulele khona. Ithuna la kamama mangilazi angikhona ukusondelana nefamily yami akekho umuntu ongifunayo. Orikilelo na kona nokibula ko squatter campaign ngisesquatter campaign ngiklinela abantu ngiwasha amawashini akina mmereko life yaka standstill. Uthi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngayithunela kasisami ngiyoxolisa ngiyafisa ukuthi ngayithunela kamama ngiyoxolisa awona umuntu wampatlanga just because of ungaba nomona ukuthi usiswami uachieve izinto. At I regret each and every day ukuthi siswami ngabe manje kuphi ngaba sisila South Africa. I think ukuthi siswami bekazosithatha because bahlala mama kixole tshi likhophela kamo. At I regret each and every decision engayithatha out of anger. At today ngimosquatter campaign athi ngakhona ukuhlala 2 to 3 days ngadlanga nakudla because akukho umsebenzi angasebenzayo and sengimdala. Yo Aisha angazi sibhlungu story but ibhlungu into wayenza usisi wakho. Oh hi guys, bye, thank you for watching.